According to everyone, fish farms are the more sustainable aquaculture we have. I, to some degree, I agree. The part that I don't agree about with is how is it, how are the fish fed? Is going in the fish? What are the fish, how are they being treated? Treated not in the sense of they're being abused, treating in the sense of antibiotics. How are the wild fish being treated now that there is a crate of farmed fish above them? It's about everything. You have to think about everything that goes in between the farmed fish and the wild fish. I the TED talk that I watched was reducing overfishing by proving that fish itself. The main topic was how to stop overfishing or to help the sustainability of the wild caught fish. But what Casper Jansen got a little bit into was how fish farming could be a little bit better. He talked about how we could genetically modify the fish so that they were a little bit more healthier for us, healthier for the fish themselves. I'm not opposed to genetically modifying a fish just because it is it's not the original fish. But if we think about it, everything nowadays is genetically modified. So fish farming, if there is a way for us to kind of make it more sustainable, easier to adapt to, and not harm our bodies in such a terrible way, I feel like that'd be a little bit of an easier route to go instead of having to fish a pound of sardines just to make a pound of meal for a fish when we have over probably 700, 7,000. Like, there's a lot of fish farms going on. So each pound of fish meal, and there's a whole bunch of fish in those cages themselves. Think about it. And the fish are going to start depleting as time goes on. So it could be sustainable for now, but what about in the future? I think we should find an alternative to find a better way to get our fish products in a more sustainable way for us as the people, and then our society, our world, and our environment.